Alright. So I just picked up my second lunch, which is a glowing smoothie, because my first lunch did not fill me up. And I found something that's so cute for Chloe, I had to get it for her. I'm going to share with you guys. Okay, this is a nail polish for kids. It's made in France. Pretty much it's all natural. It's not really nail polish because it comes off when you put it in warm soapy water. This one is lip gloss and it's all natural. It has like omega-6 and vitamin E's. You might ask, why am I buying all these girly things for Chloe? Well, let me explain. I don't think I've ever talked to anyone about this. From the start, like, I knew that when I had a baby, or like especially a girl, that I wanted her to become, or in my head, I wanted her to be a little bit more rough around the edges, like a bit more tomboyish. But of course, because I would push her in that direction, like I would always put her in like pants instead of dresses. But because I did that, I think she became extremely girly. Like she went on the flip side and became so girly. Yeah. When she's wearing her pajamas, she wants to wear her pink dress over her pajamas to sleep. Every morning she wants pigtails and ballet shoes and lip gloss and nail polish and everything that mama has. And you know, I'm the one to blame because I have tons of this stuff around the house. So I decided to surprise her with her own little non-toxic nail polish and lip gloss. I'm sure she'll be super excited about that. And next thing I found that I'm really excited about, it's a book called Mama's Belly, and it looks like it's a book about, you know, preparing a child to become a big sister. Chloe has been a little anti-baby. What if you have a brother? No. Kids are so smart. They just understand anything. Like, I didn't think that she would understand what a big sister meant, but I think already in her head she is realizing that she's soon not going to be the only one. She doesn't want anything to do with the baby. When we ask her if she's excited about the baby, she'll just like start screaming and throwing a tantrum and like wanting our attention more than ever before, because she wants our attention and she knows that when this baby comes, a lot of the attention will be going to this baby. So I'm very excited to start reading this book to Chloe. Hopefully it will warm her up about being a big sister. Anyways, the biggest change has been that I finally found an amazing personal trainer, which has really changed things up for me. Fitness is such a big part of my life. But I kind of gave that up once I found out I was pregnant because of just paranoia and not like wanting to risk my body of any injuries just in case, since I've had 2 miscarriages before. So I decided to stop working out until my second trimester, and I found this amazing lady. Her name is Danielle, and she focuses on prenatal and postnatal fitness. Like after you give birth, your body is in trauma, like your body is in shock. So to immediately jump back into your normal workout is, 1, unsafe, and 2, it's not healthy for anyone. I found out a lot of shocking information of like things that you should not be doing when you're pregnant, because it could actually injure you and it could actually hinder you from recovering faster if you do these moves when you're pregnant. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll do like a whole nother video, maybe even with Danielle, because she's so much more eloquent when it comes to this kind of stuff. We all moved out of the house. We're actually renovating our place, which I'm super excited about. I mean, in my head, this could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. I am very thankful that we have a free place to stay for 3-4 months until the house is done. But pretty much me, Alan, Chloe, and Mignon, the 4 of us, we're living out of a tiny little room. This is pretty much where me, Alan, Chloe, and Mignon all sleep together in one room. So all of our clothes, me and Alan, we share a closet, a tiny little closet. Initially, his mom gave us this one bed for all of us to share. And we tried it the first day and we're like, oh my God, this is not gonna work. So we went to our old place, brought an old mattress, and we just plopped it on the floor. And that's where Chloe sleeps. I sleep with her most of the time because this bed is actually kind of small for both me and Alan. So yeah, that's my glamorous living situation right now. I'm a little stressed out as well because we spent so much time sleep training Chloe while we were at the house, and she was totally great sleeping on her own. Now we're back to square one where she's sleeping with us. So it's me, Minyoung, Chloe, Ellen, all on one bed. It's not the most comfortable situation. I'm currently almost 6 months now into this pregnancy, and I've just been feeling so unmotivated. I'm always the type of person that is motivated to do something, whether it's building a business or being like, I just feel like that's a part of me. But lately I have found no motivation to do anything, even with like jobs, like opportunities that come by that like they want me to do certain things and travel. I just don't want to do it. Like, what I've realized is I define so much of myself with what I do and what I produce and how productive I am. And I realize that that's also unhealthy, because when you have moments like a pregnancy and you have to slow down and you want to slow down and you're feeling unmotivated, then all of a sudden your self-esteem you start questioning yourself, like, what is my value? Like, I'm not the same person anymore, and you just start kind of doubting yourself. So I think more than anything right now, it's just like being comfortable with myself, not doing anything. Also, with our generation, with social media, you see so many people just out there doing so many awesome things, and to be honest, I had to unfollow some people because I felt like it was such a huge distraction. And for me, I'm like, oh, they're doing this, like I should also do more. I should be doing this and that, and you just have to really focus on yourself. So I'm really trying to focus on myself right now, finding comfort in just doing nothing, because when you have blank, spaces in your life, that's when the most surprising ideas can come about, and that's when you could get re-inspired again to do not just the same thing, but even better things. So I'm really trying to just embrace this moment, because in 3.5 months, I'm about to pop out another baby, and I will definitely not have time or any blank, empty space to do that for myself. So that's about it. I'm really happy because I feel like I've been a better vlogger and being able to connect with you guys a lot more, and I'm really happy that I have more time to do these type of things. Thank you guys so much for watching per usual. I am gonna finish my second lunch now. All right, bye.